Hi guys, welcome to week number 2. We're going to continue with project number 1. The topic for this lesson is comparing people. Objective: students will be able to compare people. Activity number 1. Look at Anna's and Tony's IDs and read the examples given in the chart below. Can you make other comparisons between the two kids? Write 3 more comparisons on the lines below. Okay, over here we have 2 IDs. One belongs to Anna and the other one belongs to Tony. Okay, so we're going to read the content of this first ID. Name: Anna. Age: 15 years old. Nationality: Ecuadorian. Next one. Name: Tony. Age: 13 years old. Nationality: Colombian. So please pay attention to this one. We're going to analyze the first square. It says, use is plus adjective to describe someone's personality. Example: Maria is friendly. Use have or has to describe a physical characteristic. For example, Jose has short hair. Okay, the first one, the use of this one is to describe someone's personality. For example, friendly means amistoso. María is friendly. María es amistosa. María is happy. María es feliz. María is sad. María está triste. Okay, so we're going to describe the personality with the verb to be. Then we have in the second one the verb have or has to describe a physical characteristic. Una característica física. For example, Jose has short hair. Jose tiene el cabello corto. I could say I have long hair. Tengo el cabello largo, por ejemplo. Ok, estamos usando para describir una característica física. Better understanding, let's explain. Is, the verb to be is used plus adjective. And we use I, you, we, and they plus have for physical appearance or physical characteristics. And he, she, it plus has for physical characteristics. For example, Maria is friendly. Is verb to be plus adjective. Jose has short hair. Jose, third person singular. If I replace Jose by a personal pronoun, it's going to be he. And for that reason, I am using has. Jose has short hair. Use some vocabulary referring to adjectives to describe your personality. For example, we have here the first one, shy. As you can see in the picture, it means tímida, cheerful, alegre, grumpy, enojado. So, in this case, if I am describing the personality, I'm going to use the verb to be plus the adjective. And I'm going to say, for example, Mary is shy. Mary is cheerful. Juan is grumpy. In that way, I'm going to build a sentence using verb to be plus adjective. Have has to describe physical characteristics. Let's review some vocabulary. blue eyes. But you can say black eyes or green eyes according to the color of the eyes. Then we have curly hair. As you can see in these pictures, curly hair. Then you have mustache. So, if I'm going to build some sentence, I'm going to say, she has blue eyes. Because I am using she, which is the third person singular, and it must be used has. They, because there are two people, they have curly hair, because it's plural. He, third person singular, has mustache. He has a mustache. There are some grammar rules to form comparatives. First one, you can use some short adjectives plus er plus than to compare two people, two places, two animals, two things. Example, Anna is taller than Tony. Okay, let's review deeper. When we compare two things, two people, two places, two animals, we add er plus than to a short adjective. It means an adjective that has one syllable. For example, over here we have some adjectives with one syllable. Old, short, tall, strong, weak. All these adjectives are short. When we have these kinds of adjectives, we are going to add er at the end of the word. Shorter, older, taller, stronger, weaker. And we are going to add the word than. This word helps us to compare. Que means in Spanish. So the sentence will be, Luke is shorter than Tim. As you can see in the picture, Luke, this is Luke, he is shorter than Tim. Tim is taller than Luke. Okay. Lucas es más pequeño que Tim. Esa es la comparación. Let's practice. Toby is tall. I'm using over here the adjective tall. So to make a comparative statement, I'm going to add er. Toby is taller. Toby, let's see over here. This is Toby. Is taller. Tall, it means alto, right? Toby than Gina. Toby is taller than Gina. Okay, that is a comparative statement. Next rule. You can add more plus adjective plus than to compare to people, to places, to animals, or to things when you're using longer adjectives. Example, Tony is more serious than. Okay, this is the rule. When we compare two things or people, we add more plus adjective plus than to a long adjective, 2 syllables or more. For example, intelligent. This is a very long adjective. Intelligent. So we are going to say Susie is intelligent. Susie is more intelligent than Luke. Over here you can see this is more, the word more, the adjective, and than. In this way, we are following the structure. More, adjective, than. This is the structure, okay? Susie is more intelligent than Luke. And over here you have another examples of long adjectives. Handsome, as you can see in the picture, handsome means guapo. Beautiful means bonita. Intelligent, that's in Spanish. Comfortable, cómodo. Horrible is the same as Spanish. Okay, let's practice. Let's complete this sentence. Teen, where is teen? Over here. Teen, we are going to compare teen with look. And we are using the adjective handsome. So I'm going to say what I have to add before the adjective. Let's review. More. So over here I'm going to write the teen is more handsome, and after the adjective we have than. So let's complete. This is more, teen is more handsome than Luke. That's it. Then we have the last grammar rule, irregular adjectives. Good, better, bad words, far, farther, further. Example, I am better than you. There are some irregular adjectives that change the form completely when you use them in their comparative form. Example, bad. Mary is bad at math. If I'm going to compare Mary with another person, I'm going to use the irregular form of the adjective. As you can see, this is a sentence. Mary is worse than Toby at math. Okay, the word bad, the adjective bad, is replaced by but its comparative form, which is worse. Let's practice. Tim's house is farther, because this is the way of the comparative form of farther than Luke's house. To complete the first activity, we're going to make comparisons between these two kids, Anna and Tony. We're going to write 3 more comparisons on the lines below, 3 sentences. Okay? You can use the grammar rules for comparative statements that I taught you. For example, and say, Anna is more polite than Tony. I am using more over here because the adjective polite is long. It has more than 2 syllables. So I have to add more. Anna is more polite than, for the comparison, Tony. Ana es más cortés que Tony. So you're going to create your 3 sentences using the adjectives that you want, but please be careful with the grammar rules. Activity 2. Record yourself saying the descriptions you wrote in the exercise number 1. Then send it to your teacher by WhatsApp or email. I prefer you send this homework by email. Okay, but if you can send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, so for example, hello teacher, my name is Margarita. This is my homework. Anna is more intelligent than Tony. 2. Tony is taller than Anna. 3. Anna is happier than Tony. So that's the homework that you have to send. Obviously, you are going to use your own sentences. the sentences that you wrote in the previous exercise. Okay, you have to send just an audio. You're going to record yourself and then you're going to send the homework to me. The end of our lesson. Now it's your turn. Yes, you can do it. Trust yourself. Bye bye, guys. See you next class.